fraction?
The fraction 1/5.
Yeah,
1/5.
1/5. So it's 2/10, and you can simplify it become 1/5. Now the third one, 0.3 in the fraction.
3/10. 3/10.
No.
Wait.
How about the percentage?
30%.
Nice, 30%. Now 2/5 in decimal.
40%. 0.4.
0.4, Nes Gibran, and you already answered it, 40%. How about this one, 50% in decimal?
0.5.
0.5.
0.5/2. 5/2.
Yeah, 1/2.
Fraction 1/2.
When you simplify them, it will be 1/2. Okay, now the first question is like that. The second question also similar, 32% as decimal.
0.32.
Okay, 0.32.
Iya benar kan desimal.
How about fraction?
You simplify it after that.
Yeah, 32 over what?
100.
100.
Wait, no. Yeah, it's 100.
Because percent.
Just simplify it by 2.
Okay,
Did it by 2?
correct.
And then do
25.
So you can do it step by step.
by 4.
By 4. 15/50.
15/50.
8 over
8/25.
25.
Okay, so what's that? 8/25.
8 over 25. Now 0.06 as percentage.
6%.
6 or 60?
6.
Okay, nice. How about the fraction?
6/100.
6/100, which is?
1,000 lah kan? Bentar. 100.
Yeah, 3 over. Nice one. So in the first 3 question, yeah, they are still similar. Now the fourth question, 4/25 as decimal.
0.16. 16.
Bravo. You can. How do you do that, Faiz?
25 times 4 and then 4 times 4.
Nice. You change this one into 100, right?
16%.
Times 4 times 4, and this is 16. This is also becoming 16%. So that will be like that. Now the question number 5, you need to use division. Okay, so you need to have a good division skill. Now in the first part, 3/8. So you can do this one normally. Since you cannot divide them, you add 0 point. This is becoming 30. And after that, it will be 3, right? 24. This is becoming 60. And then what else? It will be 7. Am I correct? 56. And then 40. And 5. Can you simplify them further?
I don't know.
So this will be your final answer, 0.375. Now the second one, 4/11. So again, 0 point becoming 40. What will be the nearest multiple of 11?
1.
Multiple of 11?
Yeah, it's 3, right?
It's
33.
3.
And you got 70.
3.
70 of 6.
6. 66.
66. And then
40.
we got 4. And then just
3.
continue on with 3.
3.
So
And
it's
then 23 and so
0.36.
on.
Yeah,
So
so
0.363.
it will be 0.3636, right?
Yeah, and then just put 2 dots on.
Yeah. And also you can do it like this. You can change this one into 99. Multiple by 9, multiple by 9, and you got 36/99, which is a recurring decimal. If you remember the name, recurring.
Is it okay if I switch my device?
Yeah.
My laptop is about to die.
Sure. Now the C part is quite challenging. 17/41. So
17/41. Yeah.
17/41. So again, 0 point. What do you think it will be?
6.
Yeah, it will be 4.
That's 4.
1, 6, 4 in here. And you will have
4, 3.
60, right?
Oh, never mind. Oh, it's 6. Yeah. Then we got 1.
1, 41.
41.
And you got 90.
190. Now it's 6
Eh,
or
no,
5.
no,
Then 5 or 6.
Still 4.
Or
Still 4.
Still 4. Masih 4.
And so on.
And so on.
Yeah, so you can,
0.41, 2 dots.
yep. No, it's not 2 dots. If you remember, if you
You
continue.
need to correct
Yeah.
to
So, you can say that 0.414. I rounded up. Okay, now the next question. Write this fraction in order of smallest first. So you have to equalize their denominator, or you can make them into decimal. It's up to you. Which one do you want to do? Change them into decimal or equalize their denominator?
anything is
Okay. Yeah, it's 100, right? For example, this one, what it will be if the 20 becoming 100? 55. Now in this one, you multiply by 12.5. So 12.5 times 8, and you will get your answer. This one will be 62.5. How about this one, 3/5? Multiple by what?
60/100.
Okay, 60/100. How about 1/2?
50/100.
50/100. So which one is the smallest?
Number
50/100. 1/2.
And then?
And then 60.
11/12.
11 over 20.
And then?
3 out of 5.
3/5.
And the last one is 8/8. So this is the order from the smallest to the largest one. And we come to the fraction, addition and subtraction. So please remember that some students still make this mistake, okay? Please avoid this one. Okay? Some students do this. Do you think this is correct?
No.
So what's supposed to be the correct answer is, you have to equalize their denominator, right? So this one becoming 2, this one stay the same, and you will have 7/8 as your answer.
And that's it. That's the answer.
And that's it. Now, Nara, can you tell us the answer for 7B?
7B.
Yeah.
Okay, just turn the 5 into a 10.
Yeah.
And turn the 2 into a 4.
Okay, and then?
We just subtract 9 minus 4 equals 5.
Okay.
And then after that, we just simplify it further, and then we got 1/2.
1/2. Nice one. Gibran, can you solve the 7C?
7?
C. This one.
C, okay.
Yeah.
5/7 plus 2 out of 3.
Yep.
7 times 3, 21. And then 2 times 7, 5 times 3.
Okay.
15
Mhm.
plus 14 is 29.
Okay.
So 29 out of 21.
29 out of 21. Bravo. Now, Afis, can you solve the D part? Participant. I cannot see the participant here. Okay, anyway. So, the subtraction have the same concept. 2/3 minus 1/4. So, you equalize the denominator, which is 12. So, this one becoming 8. This one becoming 3. And you will have 5/12 as your answer. And for the next one, the E part, this is a mixed number. And remember, in addition, you can add the whole number directly, which is 7 plus 3. And you add the fraction, 5/6 plus 1/4. So this is becoming 5. And for this one, the denominator will becoming 12.
12.
I take the smallest one. And this is becoming 10. This is becoming 3. And yeah, you'll have 5 plus 13 over 12. And if I simplify them, this one can be written as, yeah, 1 over 12. And I will have 6
Oh,
1
you
over
do that.
12.
Okay. 6 1 over 12.
Yes. So this one 6 1 over 12. In the subtraction part, I think it's a good idea to change them into normal fraction first before you subtract them. And when you do that, the first part
8 over 2.
becoming 9 over 2. The second one will becoming
18 plus 5.
23 over
23 over 9. So what is their denominator?
Their denominator.
9.
18, right? So this one becoming what? When you change the denominator?
18 as well. Wait, never mind. 81.
Yeah, you times multiple by 9, right? 9 times 9, 81. How about this one?
46.
46. And you subtract them, what will you have?
I don't know.
I think it's about 35 over 18.
And then after that, you turn it into mixed fraction.
Nice. You will have 1/17 over 18
18.
as your answer. So this one 1/17 over 18. So the remaining one is about multiplication and division, number 9, 10, and 11. But for number 8, let's write the written story. Simon has 2 pieces of carpet. One of the pieces is 3.5 meter long. The other is 3/5 meter long. What is the difference in the length? So what do you do when you find the difference? Subtract. So you subtract the bigger one to the small one. And this one becoming 23 over 5 minus 7 over 2. And I will have 10.
10 and 10.
This one becoming 46. This one becoming 35. And I will have 11 over 10. Or
1 over 10. 1 over 10.
Yep, 1 over 10. Simon lies the 2 pieces of carpet together end to end. The total length. What do you do to find this?
Plus.
Yeah, yes, you just add them. So when you add them, again, it's a good idea to separate them, the whole number with the whole number. And in the end, I will have 7 plus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 5. And you equalize the denominator. Again, this is becoming 10, 10, 5 plus 6, and then 7, 11 over 10, isn't it? And I will have 1 over 10 as your answer. Now, the last 3 number is quite easy actually. Do you remember what is off in mathematics? Times. So, 3 over 4 times 24. Remember, if you can cancel them, coret-coret, cancel them first. For example, this one and this one can then cancel out, right?
Yes. 6. So it's 18.
Yeah, nice. This is $18. The next one, 3 over 5 times 35. Can you cancel them?
Yes. So it's 21.
Yes.
7, this is 1. 3 times 7, becoming 21.
21.
In this one, what will be the answer?
1 over 24.
1 over 24.
Nice. You multiply the up with the up, the denominator with denominator.
Yeah.
And the next one, 3 over 4 times 4, 3 over 5 times 4 over 7.
12 over
12 over 35.
35, nice. Now we come to the division. Remember, in division, you have to change it into multiplication. So you multiply by what in this case?
5 over 2. 5 over 2.
3.
5 over 2. So remember the reciprocal of this one. So what will be the answer?
5 over 6.
5 over 6. Dimas, can you try to solve the F1?
4/7 kali 8/3.
Bagus, nice. 4/7 kali 8/3. And what will be the final answer for that?
Kali 8 berapa, Dim? Lagi main apa, Ci?
Iya, 32 per
32 per
2/21.
32 over 21, right? Can you change it into mixed fraction?
1/11 over 21.
1,
21.
Oh, udah.
1.
Dimas, gue yang lagi ditanya.
Oh iya. Aduh, sorry.
Soalnya nama kamu Dimas. Boleh. Dekku Dimas.
So, what is the remainder when you divide 32 by 21? The remainder will be 11 over 21. Nice. So when you change it, it's like this. So far everyone, do you have any question regarding this topic?
No.
Not yet. So if you have any question, you can always ask in the Google Classroom. Even though we finish our online classroom, so let's finish the last two questions. 2 over 3 off. Remember what is off? Times 14.
Times 14.
What will you have?
We get 28 divided by 3.
2 sama
28
14
divided
nya.
by 3.
28 divided by 3.
So you cannot cancel this one, right? 14 and 3. And can you change it into mixed from?
Yeah, no.
Yes.
Can you tell me what will be the mixed fraction for this?
No. Yes.
9 1 out of 3.
Yeah, 9 1 over 3.
27 tambah 1.
And the next one, 7 over 8 times 22. Can you cancel 22 and 8?
No.
No.
But I can divide both sides by 2, right? I divide this one by 2. I divide this one by 2. What will I have?
Oh.
22
Juga bisa soalnya.
22 divided by 2 will give you 11. 8 by 2 will give you 4, right?
It's 77 divided by 4.
Yeah, 77 divided by 4. And remember everyone, when you do the cancel out, you don't have to finish them. For example, let's say 14 divided by 4. You can divide this one by 2, this one also by 2. So they don't have to be completely cancel out. It can be like this. And this one will be 77 over 4. Now, the next one, 14 divided. So, you multiply it by 5 over 4. Can these two cancel out?
Iya.
Yeah, divided by
You
what?
cancel 4 with 14. We divide by 2,
Divided
right?
by
So it's
2.
7.
Yeah,
Divide by 2.
35 over 2.
nice, 35 over 2. And the last one, the E part, 24 divided means multiplying, right?
Yeah.
19 over 12. Can these two cancel out?
Yes, you can cancel it out. And then we get 2 and then 19 times 2.
Yeah, which is 38 as your final answer.
Yeah, 38. Oh.
So, we almost there. One last question. I will do this very quickly. 32 times 3 over 5. And I will have 96 over 5. And the second question it's 81, right? 81 times 2 over 9. You cancel out this one. and you will have 18 as your answer. 42, yeah, the answer is A. You can cancel 42 with 7. This is becoming 6.
Again.
18 again. So, which of these card answer that is different? So, the different one will be the A one. Because B and C are